symmetrical triangle, or not even a symmetrical triangle, just a symmetrical triangle. Down here had this big breakdown, and then we had this little rip up on the. If you're looking at my chart that I sent in there earlier, there's a little uptrend right there, but there's a nice resistance point at this 412.75. So I bought a couple at this 0.96 level. And I'm trying to sell it at like this 140 breakdown, if not more. Make about $50 a contract here if it breaks down below the support line, and then below this low of the day is what I'm looking for. So if we can get that formation to happen, it might take a little bit. These are the same day expirations, so it might be kind of tough. I have 2 right now for the small account, but I'm trying to get this to about 10 to see if we can make about 400 bucks in it. Should be pretty quick. On a breakdown below this, we'll send it to the lowest support, and then I'll probably sell this breakdown below this this mark. So I'm gonna make this a green. I'm just talking through this live stream so the people in the Discord don't get confused. But at the same time, if it breaks down the support line, I'm looking at below 411.85 would be huge. And then over here I had the 15-minute chart looking pretty good. The UVXY is trending downward, which is always a shitty situation, but if it starts poking upwards toward this $13 high, we could send this way back down to this low of the day. I like the symmetrical triangle, and this breakdown could be pretty nice for an even further breakdown. There we go. Nice pull down. Get rid of this one. Seems to be a base right around this level. It's at 107 now, up $10 a contract. Nothing crazy. This is just a small account, so I'm playing with minimal money, but at the same time you can see this bear flag breakdown, almost like an inverse cup and handle. Looking at this 411.60 mark. And as we start coming down, this will probably be my take profit area. I want to see it break below this, but a lot of the times they do double bounce and hop up. So it's at 112, average is 96. So about, not too much. I'm looking for about at least $20 a contract here, if not more. Would love to get that 140 break, but it did break this uptrend, so I am paying attention to that. I'm going to send the screenshot. Coming back in, which I hate to see. Back into this trend line, that means there's a lot of buyers down here, but this formation is still forming. So until it gets back above this 412.55, this will be my cut point. Stop loss potential, start trimming and taking profits right around here. I'd love a breakdown around this level, 411. The support line down here at 410.60 could be pretty big. With this tab, 110. Trying to get an additional. I want to get up to 10 of these, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get there. I've seen this reversal happen a million times where it breaks down and then breaks out. But I'm going to hold on to this for a little bit. Hopefully I can get this a little bit cheaper than my average cost here. We got one more at 0.99. I think that we still break down that low of the day and head towards that 411 mark. According to this flow, 411, 100 round lots, 400 round lots. Let me take a look at the unusual whales real quick. Little slow trade, but we're up to 115 on 3 of these. Not too many. I wanted to get 10, but still waiting for this breakdown of low of the day. Gotta alert the Discord a little bit. 116. I really want to see this sell around 137. We're at 124. It looks like we're trying to break down that low. Could start trimming on this test. What I'm gonna probably start doing here at 123. It's at 121. I'm gonna drag one down to 121. Starting to reverse on me a little bit. It looks like it's trying to double bottom. I don't really want to sell 115. It's only not even 20 bucks a contract. Here we go. I'm gonna sell this breakdown most likely. Here we go, 125, 126. I'll sell one. Alright, here we go. 135. Sell market here at 141. And I'm out. Out. That symmetrical triangle is a fucking beauty. So from 96 all the way up to 149 a contract, that's about $150 on 3 contracts. So this is just a small account, but this is just to go to show how much you can actually make in a short amount of time with a little amount of money. That was less than a $300 risk, and it made over 50% in, what was that, 15 minutes, not even 10 minutes. So just knowing the charts and the symmetrical patterns and keeping your stop loss at a very minimal aspect up here, this is a great strategy in order to make some money. Now I might play some call side here for the bounce reversal, but in terms of this video, I think that is where we should close up some shop. So hopefully that helps out a little.